Over here, you can see that I got a certain number of tasks right here in a certain order. And if I want to go around and rearrange out the tasks that I have right here, I can do that easily as well. For example, here you can see that there's this brainstorming concept and storyline writing right here. If I want to reorder it, I can simply go around over here where you see the number over here on the left side and click and drag it up right here. So just go around, click and drag it up right here, and you can see that storyline writing is now on top of the brainstorming concept. I can go around over here, and whenever you see this icon right here, you can just click and drag this up and rearrange it out right here. Similarly, if there is, let's say the main task like budgeting task right here, and if you want to move it around right here, just like this, you can click and then you see this icon and you can drag this up and you can see that the budgeting goes up right here. And there's the, this production. You can go around over here just like this right here. But you can see that it is hidden. That is because now the production is under budgeting, and that is what I don't want. So let me just go around and then outdent this right here, and you can see that it becomes over here, it is corrected out once more. What you can also do is you can cut and paste out the task to rearrange it. So to do that, you can right click and you can cut the task right here, and it says continue delete production and it's subtask. So I'm just going to say okay because I'm just cutting it, and over here on the top I can just go around and then paste it out right here, and the production gets pasted out right here, and all of the subtask is pasted as well, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and cut and paste out the tasks as well. Again, you can see that I moved around the budgeting under the production. So let me just go around and outdent it right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and rearrange out the task inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.